Breakfast for Maya is typical of how many 9-year-olds start the day: a sugary cereal and a glass of juice. And her meal's sugar content is typical too. Before school, the average child eats 11 grams of sugar. That's 3 sugar cubes worth, and already half the recommended amount for their whole day.
Here is how much sugar was in that breakfast.
Wow, that's so much.
That's more than I thought it would be.
It's a bit of a battle because if the sugary cereals are in the cupboard, they're going to go immediately for those. So it's a case of not having in the cupboard and have that moment of them shouting at me.
I mostly want the chocolate ones. I know it's bad, but I really like it.
And everybody knows if you take children to supermarket shopping, they're going to kick off unless they get 1 or 2 things of what they like.
This is how much sugar we eat and drink for breakfast in just 1 month.
To try to give parents more bargaining power in the supermarket, today this ad campaign launches a new app aimed at children as well as adults. Be Food Smart converts product barcodes into easy-to-grasp pictures of sugar cubes.
We have 1 in 5 children arriving already by the time they're 5 in primary school obese or overweight, 30% of them having tooth decay. So we've known for ages we've got a problem with the nation's diet, and we need concerted action to address it.
Healthier breakfast alternatives to try include porridge, unsweetened cereals and yogurts, eggs, brown toast, fruit and drinking water instead of juice. And the advice is to wean kids off sugar slowly.
If you're starting off with a yoghurt, a fruit yoghurt that has a high added sugar content, then perhaps just have half of that with half a plain yoghurt. Or for example, if you're starting off with a really sugary breakfast cereal, then you could perhaps go down to a lower sugar version and mix it with a sugary one and gradually make that transition.
Jo hopes the new app will help her make Maya's meals less sugary.
It's quite useful to know exactly how much sugar lumps or whatever are in a bowl of cereal. That's really helpful. You scan it and you can actually see it. I think you enjoyed looking at the app and working out how many sugar lumps there are.
I liked scanning things.
You like scanning things as well, so it's a win-win.
Breakfast is an important meal, particularly for children, but it's just as important it doesn't give them health problems they'll carry into adulthood. Catherine Jones, 5 News.